Hello, in this video you will understand what is a custom SPP and how to create your own SPP custom bundle. The SPP custom download is a free online service that allows a custom SPP to be created and then downloaded. This SPP can be tailored to your specific computing environment. With the custom download service, there is no longer a need to download the full SPP, MSBs, or OS supplements to customize it for a specific computing environment. With a custom download, you can reduce the size of the SPP by including only the firmware, drivers, and system software that are needed for your specific computing environment. For example, firmware, driver, and system software updates for all HPE ProLiant DL servers running Windows 2012. Pre-created and validated SPPs, or create an individualized custom SPP based on your specific needs. For example, firmware updates for ProLiant DL380 Gen 11 servers. The SPP custom download page opens displaying all the available SPP release packages with their details. To create your custom bundle, click Create Bundle. On the Create Download page, configure your bundle with the basic parameters. Select your base SPP package and enter a bundle name of your choice. Enter a major and minor version number and an appropriate package description. Click Next. Select Filters to proceed with your configuration. On the Select Filters page, make selections within the filter set. You can select patch components to ensure only one latest version of firmware, drivers, and software is available in the bundle. Select server components and specify the firmware, driver, and software components. Now, if you want to save this filter set for future access, the page provides an option to save filter set. Enter a custom name for your filter. So next time you access this page, you can simply choose to load filter set and build your custom package based on your predefined configuration. Click Build. In the Preview Components view, you can also select or unselect firmware components before you submit your build for the custom SPP. Scan your selections and click Submit Build. A message displays indicating that the build is submitted to the server and is waiting to be built. The custom build displays all the metadata on the SPP custom portal homepage. When done, you receive an email notification from custom SPP portal with details of the package you have created. You've successfully created your own custom SPP package. Congratulations! Thank you for watching.